Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn English Through Stories, where we make learning English exciting and fun. Today, we'll explore a magical story and learn 10 new English words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small village, a curious boy named Alex found a mysterious box under an old tree. When Alex opened the box, he found a glowing book that said, "Hello, Alex. I am an enchanted book." The book told Alex, "If you help others, you'll unlock treasures inside me." Alex felt excited and started helping his neighbors. The word kindness appeared on the book. Alex's journey taught him many words. Times curious, mysterious, glowing, enchanted, excited, and kindness. Let's practice them together. Quiz and interaction. Now it's your turn. What does mysterious mean? Type your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's story, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let's learn English together in the most fun way.